guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is so shaky and I feel really bad, but we are driving. We are in Athens now. Today is going to be a full day of getting stuff done. Luckily, some fun things. I don't know why I have my hand right here. I think I'm ready to catch the camera because it's literally just like sitting there on my dashboard. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're actually on our way to Target right now. I just got my oil changed. If you guys wanted to know, I did just get my oil changed. I get mine done like at the dealership, so it's really nice. And then we're on our way to Target right now. I have a couple things to pick up today, like pretty boring things like pull-ups and laundry soap. And then I think we might go to Trader Joe's, and we might go to like Hobby Lobby or somewhere with like some really cute fall decor. I don't think I'm gonna go all out this year, but I might pick up a few things just for fun, or maybe they have something in Target I could find. If you can hear Waylon in the background, it is so stinking cute. We're going in the store, that's right, we are. If mommy can make this turn. I'm telling you, like, I don't know how I make some of these parking spots because it's crazy. But, car. But yes, that is our goal for today, is to get our errands done today. That, like, the title of this video is probably just going to be in the day of the life vlog of us running around. Waylon is so ready to just get out and go. When we were at the dealership, we just kind of like sat in the lobby, and then of course we like walked around and like looked at the cars and everything. So you want to get out? We can get out. Are you farting? It's so gross. It's so gross. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside Target and pick up some things, and then maybe someone can get a prize. I don't know. Hopefully he's good. But follow me into Target and see what we can find. What did you get? Which ones did you get? Can you show me? Show me which ones. You got Sally. Who else did you get? Cruz. What's that? Yeah, that's so cool. Look at this full cart. I'll have to show you guys when I get home what all we got. But we're in the party section right now because I pulled off to the side. You guys, it's so hot in here. And having this mask on is like no joke. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope my finger's not over it. Waylon has this duck that he keeps. I'm like completely by myself, so I took my mask off. But he has this duck and he keeps throwing it around. I keep chasing it. But I think we're gonna get out of here because it is so hot. Okay. No. No what? No. What's wrong? Huh? No. It is so hot. Like, it's not that hot, but it was hot in Target. Like, my upper lip is so sweaty. But it is, like, I don't know what's wrong with their air conditioner, but it is not working properly. I was sweating. Normally it's not bad in there, but with the mask on, and I'm wearing jeans, I tried to put myself more together today. It was too much. But I also have the rest of my Chick-fil-A Coke. But we got a whole bunch of stuff. I had to find some new like crayons. I was on the hunt for like the, sorry if this is hard to hear, I was on the hunt for like the jumbo crayons because they're easier for Waylon to hold, because he likes to color, but he's very like he puts a lot of pressure when he does them. So I had to get the jumbo crayons because they're thicker and they're easier for him to hold. So I found those. I found some regular crayons to stock up, just, you know, and they're only like 50 cents. And then what else did we get? Can you keep the straw in the cup? Here, you need some help? Can I help you? But yeah, so I don't know where we're gonna go now. I kind of want to do Trader Joe's last because it's food. I have to get some food from there. So it's 11:25 now. I'm trying to think if we should go out to lunch somewhere or if we should go to TJ Maxx and see what kind of fall stuff they have. I'm just going to sit here for a minute and think, and then I'll definitely update you guys as we go along. But right now we're just chilling in the air conditioning because it's so hot in Target. Okay guys, so I know you just saw us in the car. Sorry if you can hear. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. We are watching Frozen. We're parked, don't worry. We're watching the Christmas Frozen. We just pulled into hello. Are you saying hello? You're so cute. But we just pulled to the Outback. We pulled into Outback and we got food to go. I got a chicken Caesar salad to go, and Waylon got fries and mac and cheese. You showing them your Sally? We got a new Sally car. I think I showed you guys earlier, but we're just eating lunch right now. I just got, there's kid mac and cheese for Waylon, and then my little, it's literally just a piece of grilled chicken. I had some of the salad earlier, and then I'm just like eating the chicken by itself. But I think we're gonna eat lunch now, and then I think we're going to go, do you want to go look at the Halloween stuff? Halloween. I don't know if we're gonna go in there or not. I was thinking about going into somewhere like Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. It's 12 o'clock now. We've been up here since 9, so we've been here for 3 hours, and we've made it into Target.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
Alright guys, change of scenery. We are back home now. It was a little rough. Someone is not happy. Welcome to my utility room that's unfinished. I do not like to come down here and film because we're in the basement, by the way. I don't usually come down here and film because of course it's just not a fun place to film. But I had to bring all of my Trader Joe's stuff down here because I'm gonna put it in our deep freezer, and I thought I would show you guys a mini Trader Joe's haul. Okay guys, but this is my mini Trader Joe's haul. I am sweating bullets because I had to lug this and other things down the stairs. But if you guys want to know what I got, I'm going to move everything to the side. I got, yes, Miss Sally is his car. I got 2 things of the mac and cheese, which is my absolute favorite. I got 1 thing of these chocolate lava cakes. I got these are the Gorgonzola gnocchi. Stop, please. Which are so good, my favorite. I got 1 thing of frozen strawberries and 1 thing of frozen mango for smoothies. I'm going to try to make acai bowls. I got 1 of these Trader Joe's apple blossoms for fun. I got 1 packet of frozen salmon and 1 mandarin orange chicken. This is my absolute favorite food from Trader Joe's. And that was my mini Trader Joe's haul, and in just a second I'm gonna show you guys that is not a bug. That is a piece of plastic from one of Waylon's toys that broke, so don't worry. But yeah, that's my mini Trader Joe's haul, and in just a minute I'll show you guys what else I got. But I gotta put this stuff away and help Waylon before a meltdown happens. This is real life, guys. Like, it's a mess over here. You guys, look at how much laundry this is. I don't know if it's focusing. Oh, I can't believe I have to fold all that. But okay guys, I think this is going to be the end of my day in the life video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I am so tired. It is later at night now. Waylon is in the bath. And I am going to get started on this laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It helps me out so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!